All right, guys, hear me out. You guys see that lid open, right? Now, if I was to hook onto this container and pick it up, that lid will push that vinyl fence or back of the corral. It's gonna push it out. What you should do is get out of the truck, close the lid. Oh, they got a bunch of trash back here. Wow. Close the lid, or what you could do is, if you see right under this right here, you can put your forks right under it, pick it up slightly, pull it out just enough, and then hook onto it and dump it and put it right back in there. Easiest way. These trucks, the forks, they got like a hook at the end of it. That's the best way you could do it, so you don't damage that wall. Let's get it. And I was just here yesterday and they couldn't, I don't know how these customers work, but hey, it ain't me stinking. Alright, I gotta put as far as back as I can so they could close the doors to the corral. And that should be it for it. Let's get it.